Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is my first video for my YouTube channel. Now, this is gonna be more, I am playing on difficulty 3, by the way, on Mindless Masses, which is just voteless spam. Really, I'm just gonna be showing you guys a nice loadout that you can use for the Illuminate. Now, for your primary weapon, it can be anything. I'm using a crossbow so I can 2-tap the Overseers. I'm running the Redeemer. And I'm running Thermites, and for my armor, keep in mind, I am running modded armor, visually at least. I'm running the engineering kit as medium armor. And this has always been to have like 5 Thermites, which can 1-tap warp ships, ground ones. Even if their shield's on, it'll still destroy it. So yeah, anyways, the first item is going to be the orbital gas strike. This is going to really be used for horde clearing, and second is going to be the eagle strafeman. Very good also for horde clearing, but also really good for harvesters. But we're not going up against harvesters, but we're still going to bring it. Now, I usually bring in the guard dog. Mainly, this is just preference, but this allows me to just take out Vertebrates easier, which you'll see in the gameplay. And lastly is the beloved Stalwart. The Stalwart's really good, and I'm using the Hellboard optimization booster. So let's get to it. Yeah, so there's not really much, you really need to know about Mindless Masses. No Elevated Overseers do actually spawn, so that's pretty good. But overall, I'm hoping, this will actually go successful. But yeah, the voteless spam is really, bad. And recently I've noticed that the spam is pretty heavy, very bad. So yeah. But yeah, the audio may cut out from now on, but it's just what I have to deal with. Then pretty much it. So I'm hoping also to make some new other cooler content in the future. Once I get the D4, well, I have unlocked D4 and D5. I just prefer to play the equipment because at a lower difficulty, because I don't really have much to offer on the higher difficulties. So check my frames. Cool. At a very easy at suitable ranges. Alright, so really, you can also, if you don't want to bring orbital gas strikes or eagle strafing runs, you can bring sentries. I recommend bringing at least like a Gatling or a machine gun sentry for the voteless, as you will pretty much near it. We are just going to clear, I think, this encampment first. Obviously, we gotta deal with it, so we can get some XP. My god! But you'll see later on when the voteless get like really close to us that this is gonna come in handy. Now, flesh mobs, I believe, are also part of Mindless Masses. But I haven't actually seen them spawn yet, but it could be just my luck. It could. Which, I hope, not too many spawn, but you can see why I'm going to use the crossbow here. If I can actually get a good aim on them. And also, we're going to just deal with the, voteless. The Stalwart is really good as well. Obviously, I will recommend you bring Siege ready if you're having like an ammo economy issue. Nope, please don't beat me. But yeah, you're gonna see a lot here that we are just like gonna be running a lot of these voteless. It'll be very common as well, so I mean, it's gonna be very common. Alright. Let's deal with the turret here. And we can check on another thermite. Oh, okay, we got a lot of zombies coming here. I have my... Okay! That overseer just appeared, like, out of nowhere. Okay, awesome.
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
Alright, let's do a brutal gas strike.
Gas strike incoming.
But yeah, hopefully I don't crash. That's like one thing, because I was having connection issues. Alright, I feel like I should have brought a sentry, because two things, Mindless and overseers. So yeah, alright, we're gonna probably call in, I don't have the 500 kilogram with me, so what we're gonna do is we're going to just probably just call in Hellbomb.
Objective critical stratagem available. Hellbomb request approved. On its way now.
And I'm also going to just resupply over there.
Deploying equipment
But we're going to need to be 20 meters from the Hellbomb's range anyway. So...
Hellbomb ore! Clear the area!
And we're already out of ammo from our guard dog. Okay, we're just gonna move away. I just don't wanna
Objective completed.
accidentally be caught in a crossfire.
Objective
This is gonna be fun. So the only thing I don't really like about Mindless Masters is when you're doing deceive artillery by yourself, they will spawn a lot. For some reason, even if you don't activate the terminal, they like to spawn a lot, and that's the only thing I don't really like too much. Okay, ignore my aim. I'm still trying to get used to a PC as well, because I don't usually do a lot of this. Okay, so let's start getting the napalm. I think it's good we got this early because then we would have got be able to get out of the way.
like the taste of freedom!
The only issue is they're gonna pretty much rush me, so that's a really big issue.
No to democracy!
Okay, well, that's one here. That's awesome. Which is fine. I don't mind having some assistance, but yeah, you want to see here. I'm gonna make use of our eagle strafer run here.
That's called democracy!
The strafer runs are again. If I look at orders, we're also gonna call down a
Gas strike.
gas strike. Basically, the DOT will kill the Mindless otherwise, so we'll probably get like at least 50 to 100 kills from that.
Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver to
Okay.
combat zone.
But we also got a mini nuke here, which is pretty good. Let me see.
Dropping package!
Might actually just get the terminal activated anyway.
Package acquired! Dropping package!
Probably put that. Okay, I was not meant to put that in.
Package
I did not meant to really put that in.
acquired. Reloading!
I think another awesome grenade to bring in is the impact incendiary grenades for this sub-faction. If you're like you don't want to be that one like dude who wants to just bring thermites.
Package acquired!
Even though thermites are really nice to have, the only issue I'd say is,
Dropping package!
and yeah, alright, we just need about one more shell,
Package
and
acquired!
then we should be golden. But yeah, you can see why I bring the orbital gas strike, because I just did not want to be dealing with like so many hordes. But again, you can also bring the gas mines if you can.
Switched out for all the mines.
Pretty much, we need to clear these guys out. But yeah, gas mines are really good also for the sub-action. Okay, I don't know why I'm reloading. What is going up with me? I don't know why I'm reloading. And I'm not meant to press R. That's fine. I think we'll just continue moving. And now guard dog's already out of ammo. Oh great, just great. It's fine, I won't necessarily call in a resupply yet.
Objective nearby.
Alright, so here you gotta be really careful. Because, well, wait a minute, the spiders here are not good. Not very good at all.
Objective critical stratagem available.
Come on, there we go. Okay, alright, I got really caught off guard with the Crescent Overseers. They can be really annoying if there's like a group of them. Now, I don't really see them. Oh, here we go. W Redeemer, hold. Hold up, W Redeemer. Oh yeah, I was bringing the Redeemer. I think I already said that, but I'm not too sure if I really did. Okay, we gotta go. I'm also just gonna call the resupply. Now we don't necessarily have to clear out the okay, we're just gonna do a good old tactic, get him all lined up. But yeah. Or the Trident, I can't wait to review that weapon in the near future, because the Trident is like, it's a great like crowd control weapon. There is like, I guess if you're on like a heat-based planet, I will just probably take Chuhei for example at the bot front, where it will warm up during the day but cool down at night. Obviously during the day, if you're gonna run heat like laser weapons, it's probably a good idea to avoid going in the day. Alright, we have like a fair amount of voters that I'm just gonna try and get samples. Okay, my aim's getting so much better. Hold up. Alright. Alright, got the one common sample. We're gonna head over towards these Camerons, and we're also gonna quote unquote slime them out, and yeah.
Squid outpost spotted.
Alright, we got another person. I did forget to put my thingy on friends only. There's a level 28, that's alright. But yeah, I might even try and run in the future a very impossible build where you only run like the pacifier and still laser in the future. Maybe when the Illuminate get their full roster. Because I find with the Illuminate at the moment they're kind of just very I don't like them. Like the appropriators, which I'll be talking about at a later date. I'm gonna try to pop that warp because I don't want Verdless to be spawning. Alright. Alright, we're gonna like this. Alright. Gotta cut these out, but let's out. Alright. I'm just gonna chuck a thermite and I'm going to resupply.
Calling down supplies.
And this I believe is the last encampment. I'm lagging a bit, which is going to cause my accuracy to be a bit awful. I may have to sacrifice the mods I'm using to actually whoa. Okay, he's orbital lasering practically everything over there. Now with this mission, with this race flag for those new players, I really, if you're doing the limited one, do this one last because when you raise the flag, you will have like a bunch of reinforcements coming in, like warp ships and all that stuff. So now usually I usually just clear the area of enemies first. In this case, we're not. We're just gonna get into it. Ooh, what?
That's called democracy.
Alright, we gotta be okay. We got another person, level 80. We gotta be really careful here because the Illuminate will spawn a shitload of crapload of Verdless. So we practically, in other words, survive. And definitely try and take out the Overseers. Now, for those who go on the bot front, I feel like the Overseers are somewhat similar to like Devastators, except the difference kinda there is like these guys are like way more faster. Like 10 times more faster. And practically, yeah, they're just like really fast. Obviously, the elevated Overseers, or the elevated Overseers. Okay, I did not see that sentry there.
Request approved. Deploying reinforcements.
yeah, I also might make a video on the meta as well. Okay, we're at the wrong side. Also, it's time to practically extract now. Like, we don't really have another reason to be here. Okay.
New mag.
Don't mind if I take those, and there we go. Alright, we're on our way to the exfil. But yeah, we'll do a major order briefing as well.
Fire in the hole.
Eventually.
Allied destroyer joining squadron. Deploying Helldiver to combat zone.
Oh my god, the lag! I'm gonna have to definitely change, get some optimization mods as well. Oh my god, the lag! I really think it's the
Proceed to extraction when ready.
definitely the fog density. I gotta change that
Allied
next
destroyer
time.
has left the
Nope.
squadron.
Green's left again. Alright, as soon as we get out of this colony, I'm sure we won't be lagging that hard, surely. Oh, look at that, like a POI right next to a colony. So I'm sure it's already been loaded. Yep, it has been.
Never die.
Now, another thing with colonies is you're gonna find that they're going to be very terraneous or mountainous, I like to call them. I haven't seen me use all of my offensive strategy, that's because I'm on D3 as well. I probably will send my Eagle back as well.
Combat zone to resupply. Right on target.
Son, how are we like climbing this? Oh my lord.
Requesting orbital
I'm
strike.
gonna just, yeah, I know those incendiary mines will get rid of them, but more tend to spawn with this sub-faction. In fact, I don't even want to call it sub-faction. Well, I feel like it's the only one that kind of eliminates big enemies. Anyways. I'm literally running around with 25 frames. So, yeah, definitely will probably see move up mods. But these mods for the next videos, I think, until I can get a better PC. Alright. But yeah, that's kind of really it, to be honest with this loadout. Like, it's just a really simple, like, clear loadout.
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
Might just get a nice little, screenshot. Anyways. But yeah, that's really it, I think, for today's video. I will keep recording, obviously, till I exfil. Oh!
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Where?
Dropping a pin. Northeast.
Shit, I did not meant to do that.
Orbital strike.
Put it down, put it down, put it down. Oh my god. That sentry is carrying us, but no, that orbital carried us as well. Oh god, this is like really laggy.
Pelican 1 landing in progress.
Eagle back from the nest.
Go, 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 go.
Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds. Reinforcement budget extraction complete. Pelican 1
Alright.
set.
that'll be it from me, guys. Thank you for watching as well, and I'll see you guys for the next Helldivers 2 video, and hopefully I'll have better frames. See you guys.